So the first thing we need to understand. All right, I'm going to try this all again. I've done this problem like 100 times now, but here you go. You might catch it now. Absolute value means the distance from 0. So when I look at the first problem, I recognize that the absolute value of something, some unknown, is positive 3, which means the absolute value of 3 we know is totally still 3. But we also have to recognize that if I had a negative 3 in there, it would also be a positive 3 because negative 3 is 3 away from 0. So our final solution set to this is 3 and negative 3. When I look at question number 3, though, now I've got some other things going on inside there. I'm still looking for when is that value between the absolute value symbols going to be positive 3, which would make it 3. And also, when is it going to be negative 3? Because that will also give me that final answer of 3. So what I need to do once I've isolated the absolute value and everything else that could be going on has been moved by doing the inverse operations, I have C, and I'm going to solve for when it ends up equaling positive 3. And I'm going to also solve when does it equal negative 3. Both problems I'm going to add 10 to the other side, but in this first problem I'm going to get C is 13, and the second problem I'm going to get C is 7. So two solutions to absolute value is 13 and 7. And if that's still tricky, let me just show you. If I substitute in place of the C 13 and I take away 10, I hope you all agree that it's just asking me to find the absolute value of 3, which is still 3. Now, if I put in place that 7, I am going to get a negative 3 in here. But a reminder, absolute values, how far is negative 3 away from 0? And it's 3. So I know that I'm correct. Oh, happy day.